Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the trim function in Excel, and I'll help you understand why this can be such a powerful tool. Let's get started. On the left side of the screen, I have a list of employee IDs and employee names. On the right, I want to use a VLOOKUP to match the employee IDs and pull in employee names. So let's see what happens when I enter VLOOKUP and try to match up these values. I'll enter the lookup values. The employee ID. The lookup array is my table on the left. I'll make this absolute so that when I shift it down, the formula still works. The column I'm returning is 2, and I'll use an exact match. You'll notice after entering this function, I get an error message for 3 of the values, even though it appears they match. Having had this occur many times using Excel with different functions, I know that one of the common issues could be extra spaces in the cells where the employee ID, which is the value I'm matching, is stored. Taking a closer look, you can see there's an extra space here in this cell with the first employee ID. Clicking into the cell below, you'll see there's actually an extra space after the value. When trying to match values, Excel interprets the ID A123 and space A123 as being different, and so it will not consider it a match. Thankfully, Excel gives us the trim function, which allows us to easily remove leading and trailing spaces from the contents of a cell. So in column A, I'll copy the employee ID, column name, I'll enter equals, trim, and then for the text field, which is the argument I need to include, I'll highlight the employee IDs and hit enter. Now, just to keep the same setup, I'll replace column B with the new values. I'll highlight the values of column A, click Ctrl-C to copy, right-click in the first row of column B, and paste as values. Check it out. You'll notice the employee names autocorrect once the column with the correct employee IDs without leading or trailing spaces were inputted into column B. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.